This is a home tour, and we are going to check out this newer construction home. It's got lots of cool features and upgrades. Smart door, so you've got the keypad for your entry. Bedroom downstairs with a full bathroom, which is a huge selling point for anyone. If you've got multi-generational, somebody who can't go upstairs, it's nice to have that space. We do have some sensor lights in certain areas, so this one has a sensor here. You've got a 3-car tandem garage. Another room downstairs. This is technically a den, but does, per international appraisal standards, count as a bedroom because it has a door and a window. So you could have 2 bedrooms downstairs. We do have a nice pantry. It's really deep. Nice soft close cabinets, tall 42-inch upper cabinets, beautiful quartz countertops, and look at that double oven and gas range. Let's check out the exterior really quick while we're here. This backyard is a nice, peaceful backyard with natural grass, and you've got lots of shade. These actually open up and you can either let the sunlight in or have full coverage. You've got 1 pergola on each side with an extended concrete area there with a path over this way. No hummingbirds right now, but they are usually out here. Let's go ahead and check upstairs and see that space. I'll meet you up there. All right, upstairs you have multiple bedrooms here, so let's check out the owner's suite first. So owner's suite, very spacious space here with a really nice big bathroom and closet. Look at all that counter space there. Shower. Nice linen closet here. And then nice big closet that wraps all the way around. Coming back over here, you do have your additional bedroom here. So full bedroom. You've got ceiling fans, plantation shutters all throughout. The laundry is upstairs, but look at this feature. Some additional shelving there, which is lovely. We have another bathroom. So you've got double sinks, a nice, much bigger bedroom here. This loft is a full-size loft. You can do whatever you want. If you need more bedrooms, you could even easily convert this into another bedroom. And then check out the size of this additional bedroom here as well. That's a king-size bed. So really good space in this home if you have a large family or looking for multiple bedrooms or, multiple living spaces. This home is a great option for you. Thanks for watching.